This is a problem from section 9.4, and I'm going to go ahead and read the problem. It states, a 38-inch piece of steel is cut into 3 pieces so that the second piece is twice as long as the first piece, and the third piece is 2 inches more than 6 times the length of the first piece. Find the length of each of the pieces. First, find the equation that represents a total length piece of steel in terms of x by adding the 3 pieces together. So I know that the first piece, the length is x. I know the second piece, the length is 2x. And I know that the third length is equal to 6x plus 2. The information that was also given to us was that the length of the piece of steel was 38 inches. So therefore, what we have to do is we have to add the first, the second, and the third piece together, the lengths, and they all should equal to 38. So I have x plus 2x plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 38. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. You have 6x plus 2x plus x, which gives us 9x plus 2 is equal to 38. You notice that we have to solve for x, and we're adding 2, so therefore we have to subtract 2 from both sides. That is the additive inverse. So 2 minus 2 is going to be 0, and we're left with 9x equals 38 minus 2, which is 36. Since we're multiplying 9 times x, the inverse is division. So we're going to go ahead and divide by 9. And we know that x will be 4 inches. So now, for us to determine the length of each piece of steel, we just substitute. So the first one was 4 inches long. The second one was 2 times 4, which is 8 inches. And the third piece is 6 times 4 plus 2, which 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2 is 26 inches. So we have 4, 8, and 26 as a measurement of each of the pieces of steels.